This is Ben attacking Carly. I'll take the drink. I know he is. Get her, Ben. Get her. Get her, Benny. Help her, Benny. Help her.
Oh my god. Oh, it's black! What the fuck?
Kenny has been replaced by Benny.
Get out of here, you suck. Yourself. You bitch.
Typical man gets pissed when he can't get in the bed.
Yeah! Huh!
Don't you dare bite my blanket. He can't get up there yet. He's still.
Don't put my fucking shoes, asshole! Fuck. I have keys. Shut the fuck up! Oh my god, Megan, someone wet touched me. I think he got a donkey rocket. I got a red rocket. Don't bite me! Ooh, feisty. Oh, you want a rock? Eat shit, motherfucker. Not your feet. Oh my god, my heart's racing from this. Are you recording?
The whole thing.
Oh.
Benjamin, no!
Yeah, get her! Hump her!
No, Benny, stop it. He was just going at my leg.
Please. Wait a minute, motherfucker. Get out of my crotch. Don't be a crotch sniffer. Woo! Woo!
Lip licker. He just wants your leg.
Not the socks. Come on. You can put a hole in my other one. You cut my toe. Oh! Let's go. Where are we going? Huh? And the rocket's red flame. Is that why it's the rocket's red?
No, I don't think that's why.
Get out! Go piss on the rug in there.
He doesn't pee on the rug anymore. Benny, drop.
Fucking apple, your motherfucking little teeth out. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Aww.
Oh, don't bark at me. Oh. Dude. Dude! What is with you and my socks? Not the pants! Bite your fucking tail, asshole. Bite your asshole. Yeah. Stop. I'll pet you. Where's Bailey? I like Bailey. Are you retarded? Are you retarded? No.
He just likes to sit in your lap.
Or eat my sock. Dude, I don't like my leg in between yours.
You're just doing the army girl. Where'd that foot go?
Go get Megan. Megan's got a treat. Megan's got chicken.
No, not.
Megan's got bacon.
What the hell?
Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? You wanna go see? I can't get out. Because you're gonna bite me.
Or hump you.
Come on. Let's go see who's here. Who's here? Asshole.
Wow, you just smarted out a 6-month-old puppy.
Bastard!
You're gonna pinch his nose, douchebag. You scared the shit out of me. Get her, Betty, get her!
I already won. Yes. Be nice. Paw, don't lick me. I already won. Now you gotta be nice to me.